We're back for this part 3 of this comparison between the tacking method, standard dragging mode with tight space, and the proper way to do it here. Now we're going to do an acid etch. This is using PCB etching solution, which is commercially available. We're just going to add a little bit of this to the cross section of each weld. Now we have to let this stuff sit for a couple minutes for it to kind of activate with the materials, and it's going to be able to tell us the fusion zones, the heat affected zones, and the different materials. Now after sitting for a couple minutes, it starts looking like it's showing some color there, so we're going to dab it off with a dry paper towel, and then we're going to neutralize it with some window cleaner. And you can see the penetration profile here. Now this one is the tacking method. You can see how dark it is in the root pass. That indicates that that metal's a lot softer. That lighter material is a lot harder, and probably from the 7018, but you can see it didn't mix all that well. And the penetration profile comes to very sharp corners between the root pass and the cap pass. Not a good thing. Now the second one is the dragging method. You can see the penetration power is a little bit better. It's a little bit brighter. It's a little bit more of a smoother transition between the 7018 and the 6010. However, it still didn't mix very well. Now this one is the proper method. This one was done with grinding and a proper root. You can see how much more penetration I got and how much lighter that root pass is compared to the other two, and how much smoother the transition is between the fusion zones and the heat affected zones. This is a much better and stronger weld overall.